Ursula.
Yeah? Ursula?
I'm just gonna end it with...
This is a public sidewalk, though, isn't it? Don't people have the right to just...
No, he wasn't here. I asked him if he wouldn't mind just...
But he can stay right there, though, right?
That's all good, man.
He's good. He's fine.
Well, no, he needs to know this is a public sidewalk. He can... And everyone has the right to just stand here, loiter around whenever they want.
My nurse, my aunt nurse-in-law tells me to give a beat of the heart.
Oh, alright, I like that.
I'm not telling you because I'm gonna... I don't know.
You're okay, Taylor.
Good.
All good.
That's very hearty, man.
Yeah.
I just say
So I guess the community service officers are kicking people off of the public sidewalk.
Was a Jewish cousin of mine, who's also the sheriff, he let me go from the park.
Yeah.
So that is not possible to do that.
Taylor, just so you know.
So I did always be killed sometimes.
No, Taylor, it's okay. So just so you know, Tackins asked that you don't stay in front of their business anymore,
Alright,
okay?
man.
Otherwise, you're good to go. Have a good day, Taylor. Alright. Hey, man, be careful, okay?
So can people just kind of stand on the sidewalk as long as they want?
Yeah, so he was actually in front of Tackins' business.
Got that, okay.
So he was in, see all this trash and stuff?
I see that, yeah.
That's
But
all
when
from
I
him.
showed up, he wasn't right there. He was
that's
on the
because I
sidewalk.
asked him if he wouldn't mind sitting. And
But he would have been fine right
and
there,
if he
though,
didn't
right?
finish talking. So I was assisting him because he said he needed help packing his bag because he was having physical troubles.
He would have been fine right there, though, right?
If you wanted to,
Yeah.
but Tackins wanted him not there.
Dang, asked Hackins for a broom, huh?
Yeah, they wrote.
So these are community service officers. Can I get your names?
Corsa.
Corsa? What about your name?
Koth.
What is it?
Koth.
Koth. Thank you. Corsa and Koth. What's going on, people? Karen, Live Wild, how you doing? Zanty, Jimmy. They have their own car today, too. Usually I just see these guys walking around everywhere. I didn't know. So yeah, when I showed up, they were definitely telling him to leave. He was just sitting right here on the sidewalk. They were telling him to leave. I was trying to tell him, like, hey, you don't have to. It's a public sidewalk. But they were saying that he was right in here. And yeah, they own this part. The store owns this part. You know, you can't just hang out in front of the doors. But when I showed up, he was right here, and they were telling him to leave. Those are community service officers. There's supposed to be more help than patrol, from what I've heard. They can't stand me.
It shit don't work no more, baby.
Anyways,